I'm here at Hampton Toyota with one of our sales reps, and I thought he had an interesting story. So,
Hi, I'm Thomas Broussard. I've sold other luxury brands, and I came to Toyota because of the quality product. It's refreshing to be able to sell a product and know that your customer's getting a great value on a vehicle that's going to be reliable, low maintenance cost. Some of these other luxury brands, you put them in the car and eventually they were hit with low trade values or high maintenance cost.
right. So you worked at a different dealership. You sold luxury brands. Time and time again, you had customers coming in, going into the service drive, and they say, "Oh, your car is going to be so much to fix it," and your customers were like, "Why should I spend that much money to get another car that's going to do the same thing?"
Exactly. And you know, when you put a customer in a Toyota, or if they're coming from another Toyota and buying a new one, it's just reinforcement why they're making the right decision by staying with the Toyota brand.
Do you have a better, do you feel more comfortable selling the Toyota over the luxury brands?
Absolutely. Because at the end of the day, you know, no matter what happens and in the long run, it's what's best for the customer. And at the end of the day, the customer has a lower cost of ownership with the Toyota.
Better reliability?
Absolutely.
We can't say any better than that. I mean, we're trying to be as honest and straightforward with you as we can. We really like Toyotas. He really likes Toyotas, and he's had experience with other brands. Thank you very much.
Thank you.